Sports Star. We got a great show to you. It's amazing. It's going to be great and amazing. And we hope you enjoy it. So here we go.
Hello, it is an honor to be here as the host of the Emmy Awards.
Actually, it was 3 rules.
You are pretty odd.
I'm not.
Are you out of your mind?
All nominees are selected by the Arts and Sciences world.
Boring.
We have to go.
No,
We're finished.
I'm not going to get close up. Oh, that's it. Come on.
Alright, wait on me! What more than that? Move this! Ah! Of course, you know, that means war. Ugh.
Gee, wonder where Work is. He seems to be home this time. Work isn't back yet. Babies are abducted by monsters. They'll find him in a cave and it's so scary and frightening and they're friendly monsters. They invite him to a party. Where's that party? That makes me mad. Maybe more Zero likes those monsters, he likes them better than me. That makes me so sad.
Why is this, Artie?
Oh, Bork, I thought you were going to live with the monster forever.
What are you talking about? I don't know this.
Let me have a party. You have a good time?
What are you talking about?
We're about scary monsters, all that.
What are you talking about? The monsters that came to the party. I haven't got any party. Nobody took her or anything. I'm here with you. I'm safe.
Well, that makes you so happy. Ha ha ha.
It's weird, huh? La 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 lemon. La 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 la. Sorry's in there. He locked himself in there. Maybe he's hurt or something. Sorry, are you alright?
Oh, nothing. I'm just alright. I have to do this.
Wait a minute. Maybe he's sad or something. Maybe he's scared. Sorry, are you alright?
Oh, I'm just fine. I'll be right.
Hey, wait a minute. I thought that room's spotless. You messed it up. Why that makes me bad? Sorry, you might let me in there.
Alright, you can come in. Alright,
Yeah, Mrs. House after all.
What, mess you up?
No, why would you let me in?
Why will you in? Why would I do something special for you?
Like, why? Surprise! Surprise! Surprise!
Like, throw a party.
Why does it make you so happy? Surprise! Surprise! Bump back lamb, I'm the llama. What's that, bump down bitch? Do bunk or not do bunk? That's the question. How about not? Ready for a song? Okay. That apple's a bunk a wall, that apple's a bunk. You take one out, you pass it around, that apple's a bunk a wall, that apple's a bunk a wall, that apple's a bunk. You take one out, you pass it around, that apple's a bunk a wall. One ball of bunk a wall, one ball of bunk. You take one out, you pass it around. Enough about these things. I know these things don't look. Bump out plan for Spider-Man. Bug. Well, we had a great shot at It was really amazing, And
Work, let me know about the show.
like the show's off amazing and Mo's amazing. That's great. We'll see you next time on another Harris Puppet Show.